Hey guys, I'm Shakshi here and welcome back to another tutorial, and today we are gonna make a subscribe button. It's very important for those who have their own channel. They might insert it into their videos, and let's no more waste time talking and get started with the gorgeous one. But before that, we shall see how it looks. Take a blank page and design format background. From here, I have given color RGB color codes. You can go to more fill colors and custom and see R means red, G means green, blue means B means blue, and here write color code 48. And here we will write 214. And here 78, and click OK. And now make a round rectangle. After going to home, and go to format, shape fill white, outline no outline. Adjust it according to you. And now go to insert, pictures and logo. Now we'll take a text box and we'll write here TW, press enter. Subscribe. A duplicate of it, Control and Shift combination, again do the same. In this we will write subscribed, and here in this one the company's name. Now go to format and shape fill red, text fill white. We'll place it over here. Now say over here this color. Place it over here. After this, go to just insert. Now we'll take a curve here with it. Go to format, outline, the color of the bell, height of it. We will make it rotate, horizontal, insert, ears, and place it over here, and it's all done over here, and we will go to animations, them, and after keeping them here, we'll give them animation. Now we will go to animations, like this. Now we will give them animation, float in. After it, this animation, lines, and up. Now we will open the animation pane, but after previous, on it, adjust it. Now we will click on add animation and add an animation lines and select options right, and it after previous. We'll adjust it, and now we'll select this one, and add animation appear. We will select the back one, add animation, the back one, give it animation, add animation disappear, and wait with previous, this also with previous. Now we will click add animation pulse. After previous, again add animation pulse. After previous. And give them animation appear. This one. Now we will select the bell, give it animation appear, and do it with previous. After previous. Now let's see our work. Working. And now to add it the video, go to file, put first save it and file, put, select the largest one. I have already done it, and here write 10, then to create video. Here you create a video. Click save. We have a video here, subscribe button. It's done. Hey guys, subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. And it's the end of our tutorial. But if you really like the video, please comment below, as your comments motivate me to create more tutorials for you. If you want to have this subscribe button template for free for using it in your videos, WhatsApp me from the link you get in the description. Meet you in the next video. Bye.